first thing to do is then send out the Studio Media release form. So you go here to authorizations and copy this link and send it to parents. Paste, and this is the Studio Media release form that parents will get. They can then fill out the form deciding what permission they want to give, providing the student's name, their email, the course they're taking, and then as well to sign their name. Then they click to agree with the privacy policy and send the form. When a parent has filled out the Studio Media release form, this will then appear in the authorizations section in the teacher platform. So if we refresh here, we'll see that the first Lisa O'Callaghan's parent has signed the media release form. So that's how you know when you're ready to begin the project with these students.